Hey guys, I am on with the project share for Satlorn Makes. Yay, I did it. I just recently purchased the creepy Peekies from Unity Stamps, and oh my gosh, did I have fun with these or what? So I colored a bunch of them up ahead of time, just kind of went through and I used fabric. So here's my Frankie. And here's Dollar Tree fabric. This is from, I also had out, I'm going to spill stuff, I just know it. The Spooky Night Halloween mashup book that I got at Michael's. Many of us have purchased that. And so I used that in the purple background. And then it had this Frankly Your Treat. And again, material. And I used this material here and here, kind of like a ribbon type effect. Really enjoying using the ribbon. So now I put this inside and I need to stamp Happy Halloween or something on that. And then look at this cute bat doing a Halloween flyby. So again, this background paper is from that mashup book. Here's some trim that I got recently, zigzag trim, Rick-Rack, that's it. And again, material, Dollar Tree. This is a piece of paper, and there's another. So I kind of went at it at an angle, a little something different. And he turned out cute. His big eyes, creepy Peekies. And then again, I haven't done anything on the inside yet. Let's see. Oh, and then I went through over and found a slimline. I think I got it on a Facebook group years ago. And so I used that, and it had this cutout in it. So I put my little creepies, the little peeky guys in there, in those holes. So let me show you. I think this might be my favorite. This is a 12 by 12 paper. I got it Michael's recently. Here's a Hobby Lobby bow. So there's Frankie. I just think these, and I matted each one. There's a little skeleton, shake, rattle, and boo, and just creeping in under wraps. So I turned that into a slimline. And again, I did a trick or treat, and I'll show that later. I got something from KS Crafts. So this was leftover paper from what I made the card out of. So I tore it, and then I put the trick or treat. That's a KS Craft, the Ghost die that I recently got. And wait a minute, wait for it, one more, just finish this one. Oh my gosh, so I used two of my characters, and this is material. I'm loving using it. And then this Argyle type look came from that mashup book, and so did these two prints. And I just did 2x3 rectangles and then cut them in half diagonally and put them together that way. And then I put the material boo on there and the eek. And I'm just so happy with how these all came out. It was such a good time. I had so much fun making all these. So yeah, let me know if you have a favorite. Thinking this is it? I don't know. I like them all. These were so much fun. Now, most of this I did an alcohol ink background marker, but these I did with my chalks. So if you're wondering how I did the backgrounds there, and it just makes a good little sky without taking away. See how dark this came out? It's okay, but I like the chalk better. So if you look close, you can see the chalk. I think I like this Frankie with his dark face. And his purple hair. That turned out really cute. And again, there's the chalk behind it. And this is glitter foam that I use. This, Frankly, You're a Treat. So I had so much fun coloring with those. I'm going to work on my Stampin' Up! Stamps I recently got that are Halloween and fall. All right, you guys. Let me know which one's your favorite. Like, comment, and subscribe if you would. I really appreciate it. And also check out Emma's video. She's just having so much fun reading the comments. So give her some love. I'll link her video in my description. She was over today and we went shopping. So, well, yesterday now that when I post this. But anyway, all right, you guys. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.